Put in TV.
And Adidas did say that they was going to come back together as one final last time until all of the productions and everything that they already had started on have left their warehouse. Okay, so with that being said, they did do more drops of some of his, iconic pieces, silhouettes on the Confirmed app. So that's the only way that they dropped it. And backstory, I did tell y'all I was going to give you guys a video if I did clutch anything during that time, and guess what we did? We clutched it. So as you guys can see, this is what they brought me over from the Confirmed app. So let's do an unboxing together. So even though I did open this box already and did take a little sneak peek, as you guys can see, they brought me the 500, and that's the only thing that I confirmed on the Confirmed app. Okay, so the Confirmed was not confirming. After I get into the unboxing, then I'm going to get into the reason why I only confirmed this thing on the Confirmed app. So let's do it. If you're part of the sneaker culture, these people go and get bots and everything else. You cannot compete with them bots. I can't compete with the bots. Can't beat them, join them. So what I did, I joined them. If you know, during this time on the Confirmed app, Adidas app was glitching mad crazy, and they're really cheesy for only dropping them on the Confirmed app. They could have did it on anything else. Also, they're also cheesy for only dropping them all on like a slew of the same day, and you just have to keep on waiting till the time comes for them to say which shoe that you want. You get in to the drawing and they pick you or anything. So I got not selected more than I got selected. As you guys can see, I only have one box. I do have some friends that picked up like 3 to 4 items, but the items that they picked up, I don't think anybody wanted it. So obviously you can put your hands on them. But without further ado, let's get into this. This is the packaging, generic, everything same. This is what I got, size 10, let it focus in, get into it. Okay, so we're gonna do a little reveal here. And this is what I got. I got the 500s utility blast. This is what they sent up to me, and I literally love this shoe. It's actually comfortable. I have the 700 creams, and I got that from Think and Clothing or Likelihood. And these I got straight from the Confirmed app. They give you directions on how the sizing of the shoe fit. Do it fit small? Do it run small? Do it run big? Should you size down? Should you size up 2 sizes? So they give you all the directions. So anytime, I don't think it'll be anytime soon that they'll come out with any more Yeezys, because they said that was done. Because if you all know, Kanye West sent out their message, said these different hate things about different racial groups, religions, so forth and so on. You get it, you heard it, he always in the blogs. So only comes with this in there, and then this is the shoe. I love these are not for resale. I actually bought this shoe because I've been waiting for this shoe for so long. I did not want to pay the aftermarket price, so I sat and I waited on this pair until I can able to get it for resale price. Some items I be like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna have to get anything like Off-White and other hype beast items. I am going to maybe potentially buy off third-party websites like Gold Grill, Macari, anything like that, because those where you're going to find those items. Because if you do not have a bot, you cannot put your hands on it. But yes, you guys, I did clutch the 500s. On these 500s, I really like them. I already pre-tried them on, and they are mad comfy. The cushion in this thing is everything. Now I would say they are a suede shoe, so they would potentially get dirty way quickly. So I would rarely wear like the shoe is like a winter shoe. And I see a lot of people wearing this shoe to the gym, between the 500s and the 350s. I wear 350s to the gym. They're really comfy to me. They're the most comfortable shoe I have on. My next pair that I will be picking up will be some 380s. And I tried on 380s already and they're really comfy. And I can compare them to the 350s. The 380s is way comfy to me. So they'll be my next pickup. And they are on the retail on the Go app. So do not overpay for a pair of 380s. So yeah. And also for a disclaimer, if you were trying to cop anything, if you did cop anything off there, drop it down in the comment section below to let me know what you copped off the Confirmed app during that time, what they call it. Some people call it YEEZY Day 2. I just called it, they're rebranding, they're re-coming out with his stuff. They just relaunched everything that he already had put his name on. As you guys seen, if you have not seen my other video, this is the video here. And you should go watch that video as well to prepare you for YEEZY Day that is currently gone. But if you want to know how I would style these, and they potentially will be in my suitcase when I go on my next vacation, you can follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram will be right over here. And until next time, we'll plug in TV. This is like a sneaker review, fashion time. Like these videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll plug in TV, and thank